So good morning guys, we're here at Abalone because we gonna check out ang breakfast. There is a J Park.
Welcome to Abalone, sir.
So natin sa Abalone para mag-check out as breakfast. Sige, miss number 11. Thank you. So mauna guys, tanaw na to. Ilang breakfast. O magsugod na diri sa tumoy. May mga juice diri. Mga juice, mainom. Ngayon, nata na sila. And we have, of course, assorted bread. Butter.
Would you like to have a cup of coffee or tea?
Please, coffee lang.
Cappuccino latte or Americano?
Walang black lang, Americano. Thank you. And we have roasted chicken by early morning, roasted chicken. Then you can have, of course, your favorite here, ang noodle station. Wow, grabe. Grabe, grabe, beef tendon. Ooh. And we have kimchi rice cake, soup, kimchi of course. Wow, grabe. Crab and corn, plain congee, and here's what you can put. Vegetable bean soup, bean paste soup, then we have naan. Wow, with raita. Grabe ba, soup pa lang mo na mag-winner na kay bay. And of course, your favorite. Ano yung smoked ham, bacon, right? Then we have peanut bread if you want veggies. Carbonara pasta. Seared fish with bisque. So sa Abalone is really grabe. Chicken casserole. Then we have garlic rice of course. Naghimo pa rin siya siya. Mga French toast by waffles and stuff. Mga cinnamon toast. Ano ni? Naghimo na rin. So nice. Pancakes, waffles, toasts, apple fritter. If you want heavier, nasa sila Ipu noodles. Papada, my favorite gabi is a dinner. Buttered broccoli. Kamote. Steamed kamote. Tanawa ba yung steamed kamote? Scrambled egg. Huwag naghimo silang dumaw omelette si Carla. Grabe kayo smile ni Carla. Naghimog omelette. A boiled egg. Omelette. Sunny side up egg. Hungarian sausage. Grabe. Then, dapat kung kita diri, plain rice, longaniza, longi, corned beef, wow, pusit. If you want something local, you have putumaya with native chocolate, si Cuate de Baterol. Oh. Wow. Oh, arribata diri, we have their, mga salad station, of course, the Japanese station, man, pickled ginger, pickled cucumber, wakame, pickled radish, o ganin sila, naghimo pas Dexy. Naghimo naman sila sa isbuntag, o mga maki, nagkagmay, sushi.
Morning, sir.
Hello, morning, Giselle. Futomaki, of course, tamago sushi, and kimchi kimbap. Wow. So, at patas usa. So, napag-iusa ka station na tunga that, I don't know, tarano to, mga fruits and salads nila sa gahapon. Pero, I think maog gahapon. Pero, tanaw na to. So, good na sa salad station, of course. Gahapon nilang nuts. So, this is like a semi-permanent station na dito ba yun. Nuts, dried fruits, kasoy. Namin nilang kasoy at mani. Of course, if you want salad in the morning, if you want cold cuts and cheeses, naaasad. Of course, antipasto. Fruits of the season rin is papaya, pineapple, watermelon, and we can have yogurt and banana. And of course, this is the croissant and the breads. You can have, pwede nyo mo ipatoast. Alright. Donuts. And more croissants and drinks and coffee. So, laban tayo. And of course, cereals. We have cereals. Coco Crunch. Wow. Okay, kaya juices and more. So may na-tour na natin mga pagkaon dere. Sa mga itong ihuwat, di ba? It's time to eat. And excited na kayo ko. So breakfast starts around 6 a.m. Then mga 9:30 mag last call na sila. So makaon sa Kubay. And you know, if you ever stay at J Park Island Resort and Water Park, kabaw na mo na dapat makaon ng breakfast. So today will be at the Brides at Triton. So kung ganahan kaslunon mo, you better come here, you know, and para to get the best deals when it comes to wedding designers, event planners, mga cakes, yung kanang other booths plus other wedding essentials ba. So jewelries even. So muna check it out the weddings at the Brides at Triton at the Triton Grand Ballroom here at J Park International Island Resort and Water Park. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye bye.